In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to adjust page margins in Microsoft Word. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I am going to show you all possible ways to adjust margin here. Click on View tab and click on Multiple Pages. Here I have some pages and I am going to show you how to adjust margins in all possible ways. Again, go back to Home tab. The first way is click on View and then click on Ruler. Press Ctrl A to select all, and then from ruler you can hover the mouse pointer on the ruler left side. When you find double arrow, just drag and move the mouse pointer, and look, the margin is changing. In this way you can change margin of right side, and also you can change margin of top or bottom. Look, the margins has been changed in all pages. You can also change the margin from the left indent here. Just drag and move the indent. Basically, indent will not change the margin. It just change the indenting space. Now, I am going to show you the another way. Select one page here. Click on Layout tab and then click on Margins option on upper left corner, and here you will find some preset margins. If your requirement match, you can use any preset margins: normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, and Office 2003 default. I am selecting narrow from here, and look, the margins has been changed in all pages. You can change margin from print setup also. Click on File tab and go to Print, and here you will find the margin. Now normal margin is selected. Click on the drop down menu here and you can select any preset margin from here. I am selecting white. Click on white, and look, the margin has been changed. Go back and look, all margins has been changed. Now I am going to show you how to set custom margin. Click on Layout again and click on Margin. The last option is Custom Margins. Click on Custom Margins, and here you will find the top, bottom, right and left. I am selecting 1 inch in top, 1 inch in bottom, and 1.5 in left and 0.7 in right. Now click on OK. The custom margin has been set to all of my documents. This is the easiest way to adjust page margins in Microsoft Word. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.